Hey y'all, hey. Today we are reading Little Blue Truck's Valentine. Little Blue Truck was on his way delivering cards on Valentine's Day. Blue felt happy. For truth to tell, he hoped he'd get some cards as well. You're not about to fall. Get down. Blue drove into Hen's front yard with a polka-dotted, egg-shaped Valentine's card. Blue said, beep, and Hen said, cluck. What a perfect Valentine, Little Blue Truck. Yeah. Pig's pink card said, please be mine. Beep, said Blue. Happy Valentine. Mama. Oink, said Pig. Mama. A pretty pink, Mama. Just right for cards Mama. And pigs, Mama. I think.
Mama, how you just go right there?
Because he handed it to him, delivering it.
Oh, okay, right, Mama. Mama.
What you doing? Don't do that. In his big red barn was Big Brown Horse, and Blue brought a big red card, of course. Nay, said Horse, what's this I see? A card almost as big as me.
Mama,
what?
What's this?
That's a horseshoe on a red heart.
Oh, right, okay, Mom. Stop!
He's right. Stop. His card for Cow had a big bouquet. Beep, said Blue. Happy Valentine's Day. Moo, said Cow. What a treat. A card that's good enough to eat. Because I'm sitting right next to you. You hear and see that mommy here.
Go got me with my beat. That's butter. Whoa, where's it? Can you eat with your mouth?
Yep.
How?
Duck was out for a nice cool swim, and Blue had a special card for him. A heart-shaped sail on a little red boat. Quack, said Duck. My card can float.
Mama.
Cairo, what is it?
Who did this?
Who did that?
Who?
No, I did not.
Budget?
2 last cards for goat and sheep with candy hearts. Beep, beep, beep. Bye, said sheep. Sweet card, Blue. Ma, said goat. Mine is too.
Mama, where is that?
Yeah, what shape is that?
That
Those are hearts.
Huh? Hello, people.
Blue headed home, and all the way he tried to be glad it was Valentine's Day. But Valentine's Day didn't seem much fun when he didn't get cards from anyone.
Where is God? Mama, where is God?
He gave them all out.
Out?
Yeah.
How?
His own front door was open wide. Home at last. Blue drove inside. You ain't even been listening to the story. We're not on that page yet. He couldn't believe his headlight eyes. Everyone yelled, surprise! Surprise! Together now, croaked Toad. Let's hear it. Quack it. Cluck it. Oink it. Cheer it. Hip, hip, hooray for a friend that's true. You're our Valentine, Little Blue. The end. Little Blue Truck's Valentine. Say happy Valentine's Day.